Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix apps not downloading from App Store on iPhone after update iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Sign out App Store and sign in back. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on profile icon. Scroll down. Tap sign out. Tap on done. Wait few seconds. App Store sign in back. Tap on profile icon. Enter your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID password and sign in back. Tap on done. Solution number 2. Set date and time automatically. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap date and time. Turn on set automatically. Solution number 3. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset all settings. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 4. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.